Alright, the Equation Slayer is here showing you how to do an algebraic proof with two special guests. We have Golden Ratio Ryan.
How's it going?
And Sweetie 3.14.
Hey!
And here we are given that 24a minus 22 equals negative 4 times the quantity 1 minus 6a. With that given information, we need to prove that there is no solution to this equation. Note, to make an algebraic proof, we need to justify each line of our proof. So without any further ado, let's get started. And we'll get our feet well with just writing down the equation. And we know this is true. Our justification is just going to be
given.
Right. This is the given information. And then from here, to the next step we're going to have is, if I want to work to get this a on the other side, I'm going to need to distribute this negative 4 into the parentheses. So when I do that, I get negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And negative 4 times negative 6 gives me a positive 24a. And we simplified there. And what specific simplification did we do right there?
Distributive property.
That's right. So now we have our second line of our proof. The next step here, I see that I have an a on both sides. I want to get rid of one of them. So I'm going to subtract 24a from a positive 24a. That's just going to be 0. So these will subtract out. But notice here, 24a minus 24a is also going to be 0. So we use the
subtractive property.
So after using subtractive property of equality, we just get that negative 122 is equal to negative 4. And we know this because of simplifying. And then from here, we notice that, wait a minute, negative 122 is not equal to negative 4. That's a false statement. So, since negative 122 is not equal to negative 4, we have no solution. So we QED the proof. At the end of proofs, we write QED. For those of you who are wondering what that stands for, it's a Latin phrase that I'm not going to try to pronounce, but it means we showed what we tried to show. And we did. Alright, that was Equation Slayer. Signing out.
Ratio Ryan.
And Sweetie
3.14.
Thanks for coming. Subscribe to us, our channel, at Neat.